Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power down your laptop and unplug all cables before cleaning the screen. Remove the battery if it is removable and set it aside on a soft surface. Wash and dry your hands to avoid adding new oils or residue. Use a clean microfiber cloth at least 6 by 6 inches for wiping. Choose cleaning solution. 70% isopropyl alcohol diluted 1:1 with distilled water. Do not spray liquids directly onto the screen to prevent damage to internals. Dampen the cloth slightly and ensure it is not dripping wet before use. Work in a well-lit, dust-free area to see marks clearly and prevent particles. Start with a dry microfiber cloth and wipe screen gently using circular motions. Apply the dampened cloth to fingerprint areas and hold briefly to loosen oils. Wipe across the screen using light pressure and overlapping passes to avoid streaks. For stubborn marks, repeat the dampen and wipe cycle no more than 3 times. Avoid paper towels, tissues, or abrasive materials that can scratch anti-reflective coatings. Clean keyboard and palm rest with a new cloth dampened lightly with the same solution. Allow surfaces to air dry completely before reconnecting power or closing the lid. Reinsert the battery and power on to verify no residual streaks or spots remain. Regularly clean your laptop once every 2 weeks to minimize fingerprint buildup. Use a laptop skin or matte screen protector to reduce visible fingerprints by about 25%. Avoid oily hand creams and eat away from your laptop to prevent grease transfer. Store a small microfiber cloth in your laptop bag for quick touch-ups. If unsure about product compatibility, check your manufacturer recommendations before using alcohol. For touchpads, use a barely damp cloth and avoid liquids near ports or vents. Professional service is recommended if the screen shows permanent marks or coating damage. These habits preserve screen clarity and extend the life of anti-glare coatings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.